Hello all. Almost all candidates come to us and ask, if there is a data flow, should I take it again? Which means if I have a data flow for Dubai, do I have to take another one for Abu Dhabi? I'm sure to answer all such questions. So our question is, does the person who already have a data flow need to create another one? An important point that should be noted is no, because a data flow is actually a procedure with lifetime validity. A person only needs to do data flow once in a lifetime. Suppose if I have done a DHA data flow to go to Dubai, then I don't have to take another one. But with this, you may actually think then with one single data flow, you may be able to work in any countries, right? But no, so. Mainly European countries, like most of the European countries, do not accept data flow as a valid verification method. So this is obviously for the professionals who are trying to migrate to Gulf countries. As for the procedures here, a person who already has a data flow report for any specific countries can actually migrate to other countries and transfer their report. Suppose if I am working in Dubai with a data flow report for Dubai, I can definitely migrate to other countries. If I got a better opportunity there, I can surely migrate it. All I have to do is I have to approach a good consultancy like Trueway International. So for that, you just have to submit your passport copy and also the old data flow report to migrate to another country. All your documents will be verified in the previous data flow report itself, so you will not have to go through the hassle of getting the verification done again. So it is a very simple process. Data flow conversion is the process of transferring data from one authority to another without having to verify it. If you need to add any previous experiences, documents, or any such things that you haven't added with the previous report, you can do so in the additional document verification category section. In doing so, you will have to pay extra charges for each document added. Now, if you're transferring the report to MOH, HUD, or Saudi countries, you cannot do that directly. Instead, you will have to require the permissions or the authorizations from the respective country's ministry. This point should be noted. Now, the main doubt that you may have will be regarding the cost and the duration. It will take around 20 working days for your documents to get verified. That is, just 20 days would be sufficient enough for your document verification processes. But if in case there is an additional document that you have to verify, then it may take around 25 to 30 working days. Now, the actual cost would be around 6,500 Indian rupees to 7,500 Indian rupees, including the card charges. There may be a chance of rate difference depending on the addition of agency service charges. This is data flow conversion. No persons can ever work with the same report in all countries. DHA to Dubai, HUD to Abu Dhabi, MOH if you want to work in Emirates like Sharjah, Fujairah, Kuwait, and Ras Al Khaimah. Now, these are the procedures to be done in the country UAE. Now, if you want to go to Saudi, you have to do Saudi data flow, and in Qatar, Qatar data flow. You can migrate and work as the registered and authentic professionals only after completing the verification processes under the ministries of each respective countries like Saudi data flow, Qatar data flow, Oman data flow, Bahrain data flow, etc. So today's topic was data flow conversion, and I have told you how to do data flow in a very simple way. If you still have doubts persisting, you can contact our customer service number and you can subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this. So until then, this is Suhana signing off.